So this is day 3 of Mexico. Or you'll let me drive?
Okay.
I'll chill, promise.
Hey guys, Black Hat here. We're down in Mexico and we've been tracking our progress. We're gonna be marking some points of interest along the trail with the Onyx off-road app. If you guys like what you see and you wanna download the app, make sure to use code Terra Crew and get 20% off your subscription. It makes it really, really easy. It's not very expensive in the first place, and an extra 20% always helps because we're here for you and we want you guys to enjoy the things and use the stuff that we use because it's good. We don't mess with companies that don't make good products. Once again, the code is Terra Crew at checkout when you guys buy a subscription to Onyx Off-Road, and it's 20% off. Anyways, back to the episode.
So this is day 3 of Mexico. We just finished shooting Evan's episode and
Shut up.
Chenoweth to the rescue, huh?
We're gonna have to do some crooked crab walking stuff here.
What happened to your front diff and axles?
Oh, I must have lost them.
Oh, getting it. Look at that.
We're all unstuck, the tires are back aired up. James had his playtime.
I had to drive a truck on the beach down here.
Yeah, a
You know,
truck.
I don't know how to work on RC cars, but I do enjoy driving them. Kind of like real trucks. We're only in one car today. Roy stayed back because he broke his motor mounts on the Canyonero. But Nick spotted a roadside whoop shot. It's a pretty long stretch. It looks pretty decent, probably compared to like some Glamis stuff. So Evan's gonna map it on the map right now.
Roadside whoops.
Yeah, roadside whoops.
Save. Boom. Marked.
So if we had another car, we'd go film this for you guys, but
Yeah.
I could run, but not that fast.
Maybe just put like a digital truck in there or something.
Hey, can you put my truck in there?
I can try.
Maybe, all right, he's gonna try to put my truck up. So over here, we found some dunes. Looks pretty sick. We'll mark this on the map for you guys too. If Evan didn't get stuck on flat surface earlier, I would tell him to go do it, but I'm kind of scared. So yesterday we couldn't get in here. There was a bunch of places where the fence was broken, but we wanted to do it the right way and support like the local community down here, you know what I'm saying? So it's 200 pesos, which is about 10 bucks. Definitely a good spot to come bring food to and chill out if you guys just want to take pictures and check it out. You could probably find these cactus out there on the trail, but I don't think they're clustered like this.
All right, so we just met a couple guys, Americano locals. He's got a house down here at kilometer 30. They just told us to go to kilometer 20. He said there's a cool beach there we can check out. And he said there's also Chenoweth Lodge that has some really, really epic, legendary Baja race cars. So I think we're gonna go there and check it out. All right, guys, we made it to this Chenoweth Lodge. There's the pool right here. All kinds of people here. It seems to be the spot. Yeah, people like camping. I mean, it seems to be the place to be.
There's Baja right there. Full of food.
Walk down to the beach, dude.
It's awesome, dude.
Yeah, there's little cabanas. Sit out here.
Oh man, this is beautiful.
This is definitely a spot to check out, and I think we are going to mark it for sure. So.
No, don't mark it. Don't tell them. It's our secret.
Don't tell. It's obviously not a secret because there's
It's our secret. after the Chenoweth Lodge, we were just trying to find some trails that kind of lead up along the east side, kind of closer to the water.
Yeah.
This spot's really cool for families and stuff, man. Again, the beach is like right here. There's a couple campgrounds, the Chenoweth museum's right there. And these trails are like perfect for kids, families, little razors. It's kind of like hard packed sand. It's nothing too crazy. This is a good balance to our first video and a half because that was just
This is so much nicer.
Yeah, this is just calm, you know, we're having a nice time in Baja.
We discovered a pretty rad little spot. A couple little jumps, some turns, some drifting. There were some trails already here. Looks like they hadn't been driven on in quite a while. I'm gonna mark this, and I named it Mini Playground here. Mini Playground, boom, done. I think we'll keep moving.
Or you'll let me drive?
Okay.
I'll chill, I promise. Evan let me drive the truck. Yay! All right, so let's we're gonna find this trail out by the beach and then get on out of here.
Yep.
And there we are. Back in the sand.
All right, that's it.
Time has come to say farewell.
Time has come to say farewell to Baja, the San Felipe area. Did you guys have fun?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It was sick.
No.
Did you have,
It was,
Shut up.
it was painful the first 100 miles or so,
Yeah.
and then it was painful for the rest of the like 70 miles that we did. But then the other stuff off track, it was really fun. It
Yeah,
was
yeah.
cool.
What Nick is referring to is the course, man. The course is just grueling, and like we've said many times already in these last few episodes. But once you get off the track and you kind of just go start exploring things, this is such a rad place, man. I mean, we just kind of started going off on places and trying to find some stuff, and dude, we found stuff at every corner, every turn, every couple miles or so, and
It's kind of just like, you know, just be as creative as you can. It's like a skate park.
yeah,
Good times. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Where should we go next? What do you guys want to see?
yeah,
Like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Leave comments. Tell us what we missed.
right.
Put in the comments. Let us know what we missed, where we should go next time.
Yeah, for sure. And if you guys are interested in downloading the Onyx Off-Road app, that code will get you 20% off, which is a really good deal. That's our hookup to you guys, you know what I mean, to explore this stuff and to go out and have fun. So we're ending our day on the beach, as you should, in San Felipe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for following along. I hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, so we just left the big cactuses, big cacti, and now we're down here in, what was this place called again?
Puerto Percibo.
Puerto Percibo. White guy trying to speak Spanish.